Today we're starting looking at collections proper, by how you create one, and the formatting options available. So what are collections? Well, they're literally a collection of parts of your document that you want to focus on. They don't just have to be searches, like we looked at last time. For those who haven't seen that video, collections appear in your binder, just like your normal folders and documents. To bring up the Collections option, go to the View icon and select Collections. You'll see you now have some new items in the binder. You have a bar that says Collections plus or minus. You have the search results bar, and then you have the binder bar. You can use these bars to navigate back and forth between the view you want to see. If you have multiple collections, you'll probably get a scroll bar at the top of the column. If you wish to just expand that section, you can do that by placing your cursor just below the binder bar and dragging down, as you might in any other app. To create a collection, click on the plus icon. To delete one, click on the minus, with the collection selected. And confirm that this is what you want to do. One thing to note is that if you've recently done a search, the results for that might appear in your collection. If that happens, just click on the cross next to it and it should go away. There's also a reset in the magnifying glass menu. You'll see that New Collection appears in two places. Once as a bar above the binder and once at the bottom of the binder section. The top part is just for moving between the various options available. The bottom part is where the collection is kept. However, to change the name of the collection, you need to use the bar section, which you can double-click on and simply overtype. You may not like the colour that Scrivener assigns to your collection, so you can change that with the menu by the side of the title. There are many options. You can also change the order of the bars at the top by placing your cursor to the left and dragging and dropping. To get rid of the Collections view completely, go back to the View icon and deselect Collections. This does not get rid of them. It just stops you seeing them. Okay, that's some of the basics of formatting. Next time we'll be populating our collections in multiple ways.